Hello my friends, today I am doing an unboxing of the Medieval Europe Tarot. It's by Vladymyr Strannykov and it's a tarot deck that's got a few extra cards, so it's an 86 card deck, and it's one I've had my eye on but decided not to get. It's quite pricey, but I found it on eBay. It was an unwanted gift apparently, so I was straight in there with a bid and got lucky. Yay! So as you can see, it's not even been opened yet. And the little white book is not white, and it's not particularly small either. It's like a hardbound little mini book. Got a red ribbon there. I love the feel, the texture. It's like force suede and lovely gilding as well. Beautifully illustrated. I've got some beautiful colour prints in here, and then that's the description for one of the extra cards, the Venus card. So you've got some planetary cards, and I will show you what we have if I can get into the cellophane. So this, as you can see, is quite a large deck, bigger than your average sized tarot deck. Beautiful soft gilding, and I'll just walk through all the cards here then, shall we? So there are two Chariot cards, so that's a bit special, and I love this one with Elijah and Elisha, so probably that's the one I'll keep in the deck and save that one as a spare. So there's a lot of religious, as you would expect from medieval times, religious imagery, but also very occult imagery. Death card in this deck is just stunning. Temperance I'm a little bit dubious about, because rather than mixing, she's doing the star move of pouring the water out onto the earth, but I can live with that. The Devil, love that one. So yeah, so I'm a huge fan of anything medieval, and really would like to learn more about the history of this era. I have a book, and I did almost finish reading it, but there's so much more to learn. So now we're on to the planets. So we've got Saturn, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Mercury. And then we've got one card representing the whole zodiac and the anatomical correspondences for each of the zodiac signs, which is great. And my favorite card, and this is really the card that made me go, oh, I have to have this deck. It's called the Protection, and it's obviously Mother Mary, and she's holding her cloak up for people to shelter under. Just love this card so much. So here we have the Ace of Wands. Yeah, so obviously the planetary cards, you wouldn't have Uranus and Pluto or Neptune in there because they hadn't discovered them yet in the Middle Ages. Oh, so much fun, this deck. I absolutely love it. What, is that a big spoon in a coffin? I'm confused. I'll have to read about that one. Ah, so much quirkiness going on here. Very colourful deck, borderless, which I love as well. And the cardstock is very thick. So with this being a large deck with good quality cardstock, it might be a little bit tricky to shuffle, but I'm sure I'll figure out a way to do it. It's not my first big clunky deck. A little devil there behind him. So cute. Ooh, that's a bloody Ace of Swords. So you get a sense of conflict straight away. Ah, this Three of Swords is beautiful. So this is the 5 wounds of Christ. Oh my goodness, the gore, but you can't have medieval art without the gore. Oh my god. Yes, yeah, the theme of the Suit of Swords is doesn't leave much to the imagination, let's put it that way. Oh my goodness. Ah, so good. And we're on to coins or pentacles. And that's it, and the card backs are very brightly coloured, and you've got the zodiac with a king and a queen, I think, in the middle, so not non-reversible backs, but that's absolutely fine. I don't do reversals anyway. So that's all I wanted to show today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Medieval Europe Tarot, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.